$5, $4, $3, but no slab, no $50 slab today. Oh, guess we'll try next time. Can we get one for the $5, please? All right, Tommaso, $5. There you go, honey. That's for the Alt Rare Plus. Oh, I wonder what you're gonna get. Yes. So exciting. What is it? What is that one? Oh, that's nice. Chandelier? Do you have that? Nice. All right. And shall we try again? Yes. Let's go. Here's another $5. Okay, Tommaso, you get to try again. Go ahead.
$5?
$5, yeah, go for it. This is not our machine. We're at the Boza card show. What'd you get?
I already have that card.
You already